First camping trip for the Steenhausen 5 at Crystal Cove State Park. And this is our sweet view. The Rossmore Steenhausens had to give up the spot due to something lame called work. Ave is on the bubbles. Ave, tell me a riddle.
Ave, tell Daddy a riddle. He loves riddles. What's green? And Ava's waving it. And she has it in her hand. The bubble one.
How about this one? What wears pants and long sleeve shirt and bounces in a chair? Baby Wheel is the correct answer to that riddle. Baby Will, your half birthday is coming up, son. July 8th, same day as your cousin Jacob's birthday. Got some burgers about to put on the grill. Mom's got some wine, Dad's some beer. Ave some root beer. Dink's having her dinner. What's she having?
Honey ham.
Sounds like good dog food.
I do see bubbles, Ava.
Hanging out all day tomorrow. Hey, what are we doing tomorrow?
I'm throwing you bubbles. Do you want to see these bubbles? Bubbles.
What do you want to do tomorrow?
Ava, what are we going to do tomorrow?
Do you see those bubbles?
I saw those bubbles, Ava.
We go to the beach?
Yeah.
Let's check in on the fam. Ava's drawing in our nice house. Ooh, let's look at the house. We have Ava's bed, Mommy and Daddy's bed, Will's bed, Dinka's bed, somewhere around here. Steenhausen 5 looks ready for the evening.
Will has his camping gear on.
Yeah.
Camouflage.
I can see we found a new use for the cooler.
Yeah. Yummy. Mommy didn't bring your little spoon, but you're doing just fine. You don't need that little spoon, huh? You don't need that little spoon.
Good morning on our camping trip, Ava. Tell the camera, did you have a good sleep? Was your brother loud or was he quiet? He's quiet. What are you drinking?
Hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate. I already know these things, but you're telling the camera because the camera doesn't know. What are we going to do today? Are we going to go to the forest?
No.
Are we going to go to the desert?
Yes.
To the desert? Are we going to go to the beach?
No, I'm going to go to the desert.
We're going to go to the desert, not the beach. I'm going to go to the beach. Maybe you can tell Mom you want to go to the desert. But we pretty much live in the desert, so we like to come to the beach. There's Stink still passed out. Mom's inside pumping, getting ready for the day, making breakfast for William. And baby Will's still sleeping. We'll have a nice day. We'll have breakfast burritos and lots of hot chocolate. Can you blow me kisses? Checking on Ava this morning. Out for a little morning ride. Yeah, look, she's pedaling now. She just started pedaling yesterday. Her father's very excited. Good pedaling, sweetheart.
Ava, look at the pelicans. at pedaling, Ava.
Here comes your friend.
What's her name?
Whoa! Ah! I thought you were gonna run over my foot, little goose.
Mommy, let's go, Mom.
Nice talking to you. Love you. Bye. This girl's smart because she's wearing a helmet to be safe. Check out our neighborhood this morning. Baby Will's still asleep. What is it, noon?
He's a guy after my own heart.
Yeah, what'd you marry me for? Got a boat out there. Let's see what they're doing. Focus, focus. Well, morning fishing.
Say what they are, Bill.
What number is that?
Go ahead, you do it first and I'll do it. Start here and say what everything is. 14, then what's next? Ava. Good.
7, 1, 8.
Duh.
Whose name is that?
Yeah, she said it.
Dinka. Keep going, Ava. Finish. 12. 6. And compa. That's our fish. Good job, Ava.
You want to do the hopscotch?
No.
Your friend, what's your name? Taylor is going to do the hopscotch. Yeah.
Wow, she does that so fast.
Go, Ava, go.
Go, go.
Yeah.
She's learning.
Good job, Ava.
Faster.
There goes Mom.
Look, Mommy, go.
There goes Taylor again. Let's see about Ava.
Eating potato chips at 10 in the morning.
Ava, I want to see you do it, but you have to say what word or numbers on it. So start with Daddy.
Yeah!
Okay.
I'm going to start from this end. Oh, Daddy's going to.
There you go. Daddy, Mommy, 14, Ava, 7, 10, 1, 8, Dinka, 12, 6, 9, Baby Will, 4, Compa! Why not? Okay, I'm not doing it right. Hey, you show me, Ava.
Good job, Taylor. Now it's Ava's turn. Go, Ava.
Oh, that's how you do hop. 10:45 a.m. His first morning of camping. What's Baby Will up to? Just starting to wake up, big man. Wondering, where am I? Where am I? Hi, son. Hi, buddy boo. Are you hungry? You must be hungry, my man. Did you have a good sleep in our tent? Did ya? Big boy. Nice sleep in his pack and play. Big sister had the whole air mattress all to herself. Slept very well. Mom and Dad here, Dink outside. But you win the prize. You win the prize. We've all been up for like 3 or 4 hours. We all had hot chocolate. Dad made breakfast burritos with bacon. We did hopscotch. Mom and Ava are on a little walk with Dinka. Time to get you up and feed you, my man. We got a nice day in front of us. The end of an awesome day. Time to have some corn. Some hot dogs. Ava's been out there pedaling her bike.
Just here because it's not a real street. It's just like a parking lot.
Really our first view of the sun today since it was overcast all day. Hopefully Will sleeps 14 hours again tonight, and Ava doesn't pee her bed and sleeps all night too.
Mommy said, look at that, we go this way, and after we have a walk, we can go through it. And have a coffee. Is it that already?
Natalie.
Dink's probably thinking, I don't want to go on another walk. I've gone on enough walks today.
Yeah, I know. She's gone on a lot. Okay, baby, okay. You're not
Morning number 2 of our awesome camping trip. A little different story this morning with baby Will up by 7 instead of 10:45. Big sister Ava, you're up earlier than yesterday. Actually, no, you're up early yesterday too with Daddy. What are you drinking, Ave? Hot chocolate? Ooh, yummy.
I'm drinking warm chocolate.
Oh, warm chocolate. Yeah, it's technically not hot chocolate, huh? It's more like warm chocolate.
Daddy, can I go for bugs and go on a bunga?
Can you do what, honey?
Can I go bugs on the bunga?
Oh, yeah, that's fine. You can go on a bug hunt. What about you, Stink? How'd you sleep? Little dog? The old maid? Dinka, how'd you sleep, honey? Did you chase any critters? What about my baby Wheel? Mom's in the tent making you breakfast. Yummy, yummy, yummy. You'll have love in your tummy. Ava, make him laugh. Make him laugh, baby. Do something funny. Ooh, she's doing a dance, William. Do you see the dance? Does that make you laugh? Does her laugh make you laugh, bud? I don't know if we'll have time today.
Let's ask my mom.
Yeah, we'll see if we have time.